for the conclusions, there's two things that we need here. We need conclusions and we need recommendations. Now the conclusions are addressing what you set out to do. That is, we set out to find this information. Your conclusion is, did you find that information? If you set out to design something, did you design it? Did you develop it? Did you solve that problem? Because if you didn't, we need to discuss something about, well, what should we do next time? No? If you didn't get what you expected to get, what are you going to do next? So we need to conclude. We need to wrap up all those findings from the analysis into some conclusion about what that means. And very succinct. The next thing is recommendations. What should the organization do with the results you've got? That's your recommendation. Should they now apply your findings to the problem and solve it? Or the favorite one of researchers is, well, now we've found out something more and we need to go investigate various other things. But two things there in the recommendations. One is, what do they do with the existing problem, with the current problem? And given that you changed the setting of the organization, maybe the problem is solved, what does that enable them to do, and what should they do next? What opportunities does this present? So this is your recommendations.